3D printing has revolutionized the jewelry industry by enabling digital production, which offers significant advantages such as rapid fabrication, reduced labor and time costs, and consistent production across multiple batches. It also allows for the creation of complex models, providing new opportunities for designers and manufacturers to realize these benefits. All that's required is the purchase of a 3D printer and light-sensitive resin. Let's revel in the convenience that technology has afforded us together.